Check out the internet for how to identify air leaks in your pool cleaner hoses, and you'll get a whole variety of fairly sophisticated answers, including dye tests, pressure meters, and even helium sensors. 2 pool shops told me that there is no simple way to do this, but remember that they probably just want to sell you a new hose segment. The question then still remains, which segment do you replace? But there is a simple answer, and it lies here in a cheap packet of party balloons. As an aside, this was a trick that I learnt from YouTube on how to store and retrieve cable ties, and it works very well. I've disconnected the pool cleaner from the weir and laid it full length along the side of the pool. Unfortunately, there is no getting away from the fact that each one of these segments is going to have to be tested individually. Now we disconnect one segment at a time and cap both ends with a freshly cut balloon. The use of the rubber band is probably overkill, as I discovered later. However, do beware of dragging the lower end across a concrete floor, as this can easily penetrate the balloon that you have already inserted. The actual test itself is very simple. Take the pipe in question, with its balloons covering each end, and throw it in the pool. Then, using a long-handled implement, push it down under the water. This example shows bulging at both ends. In this instance, the balloons are bulging out, and the rule is quite simple. If the balloons bulge out, then throw it out, as there is a leak in the pipe. Conversely, with the next hose, both ends are pushed in. And here the rule is, if the balloons are pushed in, the hose is intact, and therefore keep it. As we all know, life isn't always straightforward, and we get thrown curved balls. Here's mine. I'm going to let you work out the hydrodynamics of this one. Suffice it to say that there was a leak present.